Listen, a brilliant idea can still be a terrible investment. Investors don't invest in ideas. They invest in systems, structures that can turn that idea into a reputable value. Why do capital flows to system and not ideas? Let me challenge your thinking a little bit. The popular saying is that once you have a great idea, investors will fund your idea. That is quite inspiring, right? See, the world is full of brilliant ideas that never attract capitals, but you see ordinary ideas, okay, that attract capitals, that become $billion company. The question is, what is the difference? The difference is, see, capital does not chase ideas. Capital chase systems, okay? Capital does not chase ideas. Capital chase systems. Do you know why? Ideas only draw attention, okay? But system bets confidence, and confidence attracts capital. Let me repeat myself. Ideas only attract attention, okay? But systems attract confidence, and confidence attracts capital. That is why I always tell high net worth individual, and you watching, when you watch this video to the end, you will understand why it's not right for you to ask questions that, is this the right idea? Or will this idea pay me? Or will this investment pay me? But what you are supposed to be asking is, will this system behind this idea, will it be able to deploy? Will it be able to multiply? And will it be able to protect my capital repeatedly? See, the goal is not to become more convincing. The goal is to become more investable. Look at this. Uber never invented transportation. Google never invented search engine. Okay? Tesla never invented electric cars. Facebook was not the first social media platform. Apple never invented smartphones. But the question is, why are these companies valuable? Ideas never made them valuable, but systems made them valuable. System in which they apply in hiring. System in which they apply in product development. System in which they apply in customer acquisition, etc., etc. These are things that make these businesses valuable. Ideas are like events, but systems are like machines. Okay? Ideas create excitement, but systems create reputable value. Okay? Ideas can cause a meeting to happen, but systems, they create long-term capitals. Let me ask you a question. Imagine two entrepreneurs, okay, who present something to you. One told you, I have a revolutionary idea, and the other one tells you, I have a governance framework, I have an operational manual, I have profit and loss system, I have cash flow metrics. This same entrepreneur is telling you that I understand how to make your capital predictable. Please, which of them will you follow? That is why I'm saying capital does not follow idea. Capital follows system. That is why I always say high net worth individuals who care to listen, diaspora investors who care to listen, okay? You don't just invest around founders. That is why we have a system we use in diagnosing your real estate investment before we prescribe to you. There is a capital framework we normally use. This capital framework is what we apply to test the investment you want to invest in. Let me break this capital framework for you. The C in that capital stands for clarity. The A stands for accountability. Okay? The P stands for predictability. And the I stands for infrastructure. Okay? The T stands for trust. Okay? And the A stands for adaptability. And the L stands for longevity. This is what you enjoy when you go through our real estate investment diagnosis. Why do we need to do this? In order to test the organization you are investing in. Okay? So that you won't shout, oh, Nigeria has happened to me. How had I know? So, if you are a real estate investor, you want to invest in real estate, don't ask this question: which property should I buy. But ask this question: which system will meet up with my financial objection at this point in time? That is why we create REDOC investment diagnosis. Okay? And for you, an entrepreneur, see, ideas only inspire businesses. System create institutions. Okay? Institutions attract capital. Capital buy and build assets. Do not chase investors. Build systems that attract investors. Do you want to invest in real estate? Once again, click in the link in my bio for your REDOC investment diagnosis. A property is an asset, okay? But the system behind the property determines if the asset will turn to wealth or it will turn to an expensive mistake. That is why we always tell you, diagnose before prescription. Do you like this video? If you learn from this video, do you know someone that needs to learn from this video? Share this video, comment on this video, save this video till you hear from me again. My name remains Bash of REDOC. Bye for now.